Is Windows failing to load because of the Cdp library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. To begin our Cdp library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Cdp library, the Connected Devices Platform CDP module. It manages the localized synchronization of user activity, timeline, and localized continue on PC handshakes between localized Windows devices and mobile phones. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components including Cdp library DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Cdp library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for Cdp library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing Cdp library references. If your workstation is back online and Cdp library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.